So I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we're going to be diving into the Lush kitchen subscription box for June. This is not an ordinary kitchen subscription box. This month's box is themed. If you guys didn't see my previous video, which I uploaded, I think it was on Friday, you guys wouldn't have seen that Lush are actually collaborating with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. The actual Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. They are collaborating with Lush and they are bringing out an incredible collection very, very soon. And I just had an inkling that this month's kitchen box would be themed. So I just have to show you guys what's inside. I have to show you guys the packaging. Like, look at this. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the detail? Like, this is actually incredible. I am so excited to dive into this month's box. So as always, without further ado, we are going to dive right into this video. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Okay, so let's dive into the box. The first thing we have, okay, this is a piece of soap. I'm not gonna lie, the shape of this soap to me is strange. I feel like I would normally expect it to be cut into a rectangle, but this is a really lovely, generous piece of soap, which I'm really excited for. So this is called the Shredder in the Dark soap, and ingredients wise in this one, we've got things like rapeseed oil, coconut oil, peppermint oil, spearmint oil, and clove bud oil. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna lie, instantly it's giving me like the smell of my dentist. Is that weird? Like, you can definitely smell the kind of mint, the spearmint, the peppermint, but the clove bud oil in there is really strong as well. So it's like a really bizarre mixture. This is what it looks like. It's a really kind of woodsy, foresty green colour, but there is something on the inside. Tell me what that is, please, because I have no idea. And this is what the back looks like. But yeah, I don't really know what's inside. I wonder if there's going to be something inside here, sort of when you use the soap, is something going to kind of come through? I'm really intrigued to find out. But that is the first item. To be honest with you, I do really enjoy using Lush soaps. I think they're really good value for money. They last for ages as well. So I'm not mad about this one. Is it my favourite fragrance in the world? No, but it's really fresh. I think it's something Ryan might like, to be honest. So yeah, that's the first item in the box. Okay, so moving on to the next item in the box, and to be quite honest with you, I think it's the most incredible thing in this box. Now, if you guys watched my video on Friday, you would have seen that I mentioned that they are releasing 4 really big bath bombs, all of which include a soap, and they have different colour masks on, and purple is my favourite colour. And would you guys believe, look at the sheer size of it. Like, it is literally half of my face. It is absolutely ginormous. Also, listen, can you hear that? Wait. There's a soap on the inside, which is really fun. So this is one of the 4 Brothers bath bombs, and ingredients wise in this one, you've got things like lemongrass, coconut oil, you've also got bergamot oil and oregano infusion, rapeseed oil, but basically this one smells exactly like Avo Bath, which if you've not smelled Avo Bath before, it's a very fresh, very zingy, mouth-watering, lemongrassy kind of smell. Like, it is a very strong lemongrass smell, but it is so good. But can we just like take a moment to look at how cute his face is? He is so cute. They kind of look, I was about to say they kind of look like turtles. That was really stupid. It obviously is a turtle, but I absolutely love him. He's really cute, but he is absolutely ginormous. Like, you could easily split this in half and use it in multiple baths, which is something I would do. But that is incredible. If you guys want to pick one of these up, you definitely can. It's coming out, I believe, on the 4th of July in stores, and you can actually pick up one of these kitchen boxes as well in stores. They're £35, and you can get all of these products that I am showing you guys now, which is so fun. So yeah, that is the second item, and to be honest with you, the most insane thing I have received in a kitchen box in a very long time. So I love him. Delicious. Smells incredible. Okay, the next item in the box we have, okay, this is really cute. So this is the Go Green Solid Perfume. Again, this is a kitchen exclusive. They are releasing, I believe it's the Go Green Bubble Bar, so it'll probably be the same fragrance, but let's see what this one smells like. Ingredients wise in this one, we actually have a whole bunch of lovely things. We've got bergamot oil, fennel oil, you've also got grapefruit, violet violet leaf, neroli, cedar leaf oil. So I feel like this might smell rather earthy and maybe a little bit more on that garden kind of smell, which isn't my favorite, I'm not gonna lie, but let's give it a smell. Well, actually, hang on, let me just... Okay, yeah, it's a very earthy kind of smell, but it's very gentle at the same time. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's got a very kind of earthy, like leafy smell. Does that make sense? Like it's leafy. Do you know what I mean? Leafy, leafy. It is actually really quite nice. It's a smell that when reading the ingredients, I probably wouldn't ever pick for myself, but actually this is a really kind of subtle, gentle, earthy fragrance, and I actually really like it. I actually really like the packaging of this one as well. I have heard rumours that Lush are kind of redoing the packaging on their solid perfume, so I wonder whether it's going to be like this. That'll be really interesting. Anyway, that's actually quite delicious. So that is the third item. Then the next item, oh no! Mine's broken, but that's okay. Let me just try and grab it so that you guys can actually see what it looks like as a whole, because it is crumbling absolutely everywhere. I don't even know how to pick this up. Hang on one second. Okay, so I'm gonna have to hold it with two hands. This is what it is. So this is a shower bomb, I believe it's called, the Ooze Canister. And I will read the ingredients in a second, but I have no hands, so this is what it looks like. Mine is broken, but that's okay. It actually smells really, really good. Okay, so ingredients-wise in this one, we have got green mandarin oil, lemon oil, rosemary oil, and sage oil. So it has it's got a very lovely fragrance to it. It is very orangey, but it's kind of got layers at the same time. I can't tell if I like it or not. I feel like when you initially smell it, it smells really fruity, but the more you smell it, it kind of has like different things going on. Yeah, it's okay. I wouldn't say that this is like my most favorite fragrance ever. It does smell good, although mine is sadly broken, but it's okay. Yeah, it's all right. I wouldn't necessarily say I absolutely love that smell. The only thing now is my hands are literally covered in glitter and I have nowhere to wipe my hands. Am I gonna have to wipe them on my shorts? Moving on, my hands are not glittery anymore. Lastly, we have this absolutely ginormous sausage looking thing in the box. I'm not gonna lie, the packaging of this is so cute. I'm gonna hold it up so you guys can see. So this is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Fun, and ingredients wise in this one, we have got things like grapefruit, chamomile oil, we've also got lavender, lemon, orange, lime. I believe it's probably gonna be a case of each section has a different fragrance. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, okay. So it's not actually wrapped as I thought it was going to be wrapped. So I thought it was going to be in that like plastic wrapping inside, but it's not. So let me just try and open it without completely ripping it. Oh, I'm going to rip it, aren't I? Hang on. Let me just try and do this in a very... Okay. She's gone and done it. So this is what it looks like. Dun, da, da, da. So we have got, wow, look at it. I just dropped it. 1 second, we need to rebuild this. I have got it everywhere. One moment. We fixed it. This is what it looks like. So it basically looks very similar to Rainbow Fun. We used to have Rainbow Fun years ago and it came with all different colours and you could make loads of different things. It would all smell different. This is kind of the same, however it only has the colours of the turtles. So you've obviously, I'm scared I'm going to drop it on the floor, you've obviously got a lot of green to make the turtles, and then you've got a little bit of each of the colours of their kind of like eye masks. But again, yeah, that one smells like lavender. So do they all smell different? Oh yes they do. Red Fun is so good. Red Fun is really, really fruity, but like not in like an orange way. It's got so many like layers to it. Oh, that's so good too. I absolutely love the scents of all the fun colours. Oh, so good. So yeah, that is the Fun. I actually think that the amount of fun they've given us in this box is a really generous amount, especially because we've also had the perfume and the giant bath bomb. So I think this month's box is really good value for money. So that is everything that is included in the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles June Lush Kitchen box. That was the biggest sentence in the world, but I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I would love to know down below, Did you get this month's box? What did you think? And also, if you didn't get this month's box, will you be picking it up on the 4th of July in store? Because honestly, I really think this month's box was such good value for money, so I'm really, really impressed. Is it my favorite box ever? Probably not, but it is definitely within my top 10 because I really, really love the giant bath bomb. The perfume is, again, great value for money. The Fun bar is really, really great as well. The only things I think that let this box down for me personally is like the soap. It's nice, it's not my favorite. And also that my shower bomb was broken, but actually it's not really that big of a deal. So for me, the only thing really about this box that I didn't love is the soap, but I definitely will still use it. So that is everything for today's video. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions as always down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I would love to have you join my corner of the internet and just join our little family. We have a great time. So yeah, that is everything for today's video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.